Hi friends, you're welcome. Hello, how you doing? So, do you have problem solving radical equations that always leads to linear equation? Say no more. Follow me to the board and I'll teach you how to simplify questions like this, alright? So we have on the board root 5x equals to 10. What is the value of x? Simple. All we need to do is to solution. Now, first of all, the first step, let's square these two side. We'll square the two sides. So root 5x squared equals to 10 squared. Alright? Now, this square we cancel out this root, which is 5x equals to 10 raised to the power of 2 is going to give us 100. It means 10 times 10, alright? This will give us 100. Now that I've gotten to this point, all we need to do is to, because we want to make x the subject of the formula, right? So we are going to divide both sides by 5. So if we divide both sides by 5 we cancel this. 5 into 100 is going to give us what? 20, alright? So our x is equals to what? 20. Very simple, guys.